My people, una day, una do, una welcome to another moment where they calculate for inside with television. This na politics and business TV. And we don't turn that come again with that program who we sabi as TORI time. How una day, una do, kekwanu, odima, otutuoma. Yes, na kwana, na gajia, na winiku, yaya kuki, kuna lafia ko. Kube gide kube lozun kube lajin ke wono ije bo wa se lafiya agife awona awololele na lafiya yi o o we don't greet all of now bonjour comment ça va bien mais yes sir, make we enter inside the Tori number one. We will carry time that can give now this a beautiful afternoon. Make we not forget sir, they always tell us say the Tori we they always carry can give now. If it be saying a trending story, when a Tori we they discuss about some things where they funny and also other things where we say it they bring to now to inside understanding, educative, and also make we not learn one or two for inside the nitty-gritty of the country. At this junction, my name is no changing when Giribala Kanzu Maroko and that day for inside Dede. Madala Zuba for inside Niger State. My name is no change, my name is Ridwan Musago RMG. One as the baddest producer for the MIC, the Mawe Chukma for inside Matawano concern, and the only man who they bring to the given us the hots. Normally, I always tell us a temper hot, you know, the body am. But I hold drink to turn, I know it's the warrior for example, and now enter inside bush go shit, and I know what I'm a friend to green snake or the one where they call green grass. Without thunder come today again and the matter now to be careful. Sake of say today, our program, it go start with education. Go enter inside Emirates. In fact, na court case now go finish our program today. But gonna not forget saying una go fit reach us for Facebook, una go reach us for inside that one where we they call politics YouTube, where they call politics and business TV. Una fit reach out to any time. And make una for watch all the videos them where we get and other videos them where we say then don't already go far. Alright, my people, make we enter inside this telewire. The first one where we carry come out. Now the breaking news we just drop for inside the country now. As no fewer than 13 candidates wey dem score first for inside the National Examination Council release the 2024 Common Entrance Examination result for Unity Schools. The Minister of Education, Dr. Yusuf Sanunu, now been make this one known during one press conference wey been happen earlier today for inside morning about the outcome of the examination. Make una no forget say the total of 71,291 candidates now them been participate for the 2024 National Examination Entrance Common Entrance Examination wey dem sabi as NCCE, where they conduct for around 599 centers on Saturday, June 1st, 2024. NECO don release the data showing say Lagos State now come top with the highest number of candidates with around 17,751. While FCT and then comes second with 10,209 candidates, and Anambra State been the trail for inside third position with 4,972 candidates respectively. According to the Sanunu, the total number of 4,360 candidates now then they absent, while 66,931 were now then be present for the exam. The Concomo talk say the one who candidate will score the highest score now of 203 out of the obtainable score of 210. You can also note say the admission process go dey based on 60% merit as usual. But me waiting I want talk be say by percentage 40% or now be the outcome of the result for me, because the last time I remember get many students wey dem be dey win and they score 310, 320, 306, 305 for some NECO exams wey dem be dey write that year, or 290 something or 280 something. But for this one, the highest score na 203. Something dey now. There is problem, which means our children now they no dey read again. Our children are no bother on top education again, waiting their eye dey on chukulu na how to watch film, how to watch cartoon. Some now they don't even sabi to dey do monetization. This one wey they call, they go dey do small jokes they post for YouTube and Facebook. Some of them don't turn kiruku. They don't dey kiruku around. They don't turn this one. What they call this girl name? Emanuela. Many of these children, then we know say they get talent. But if you no go school, how you want take harness your talent? Make you say no, say with book and your talent join together. Na book talent. Oh, wisdom. Make una no forget say for this life, they say the key to success na be education. Na wetin people dey talk with that. And na wetin wise men dem pocket sit down dey talk about with that. Make we enter inside federal government matter sake of say time not dey. They don distribute about 740 trucks of rice for the 36 states of the federation and also the federal capital territory of FCT, Abuja. They say each state will include the FCT, then give them 20 trucks wey contain 1,200 bags of 25 kg of a truck or 25 kg of rice for truck, and the rice say e go dey distributed to the most vulnerable of the society. This one been come out through the mouth of the Minister of Information and the National Orientation, wey be Alhaji Mohammed Idris Malagi, wey be come out talk say while in the brief newsmen for inside State House, dem dey come out dey talk say the Federal Executive Council meeting wey dem presided by the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for the council chamber for Presidential Villa for Abuja. He say the minister wey talk say dem go flank by the special adviser to the president on top information and strategy, Mr. Bayero Onanuga. Dem been come out say the president don give the directive to the Minister of Agriculture, making ensure say all food produce like rice make it available to Nigerians. He can explain say the distribution of the trucks of rice, it go also ensure say the country come up for the hardship where they go on for inside the arm. And also in the add say them go expect say the state governors will distribute the truck of rice to the vulnerable as expected. As expected. Now what the statement talk, no be me talking. I want to talk to state governors now. Make una distribute this rice as expected. I beg with the beg una. State governors with the beg una. Make una distribute this thing according to and as expected. Now 740 bags. Oh. Make we no go see one politician they carry half truck, they go in house. Make we no go see one politician they carry 30 bags. They enter in own house after they go talk say if they carry and go give stakeholders or they carry and go give your own community. No be so. If una wan get way una wan take do this thing, I go advise make una use that thing wey they call voters card. Now so when Niger State dem wan do their own fertilizer distribution, then say dem carry the thing go every local government, every council, every ward. If you wan go collect your own, make you go with your voters card. Make you show say na that particular polling unit na you dey vote. As you dey show your own, then check the name and give you. So if we get that record for INEC, why we no fit get like the Bureau of Statistics now? Make them for duplicate, make them collect this data, make them duplicate and circulate on to social media, so that everybody will get his own copy. Make them for the use. I don't know how we dey think for this country wey be say now they don't give the 740 bags. Still yet, even we wey sit down here, even the lazy them and some other people wey dey inside villages now, they no go get. You know what I say they no go get? Now make we take example of Zamfara State, where bandits they disturb the inside those villages. Tell you say politician will go there go distribute that rice? No. And then to say this thing now for the waiting for the vulnerables. Now we get vulnerables where they attack daily for Shororo, for Munya local government, for Rafi local government. That one for Niger. You go Zamfara, you go Mariga, you go every part of Katsina, every part of the northeast, Borno, Biu, everywhere you enter, every look and crannies, you go see banditry, kidnapping, insecurity, butchering, killings of all kinds. Now they don't bring rice now, you no go reach them. And na them be the vulnerables them. Now then they suffer this thing. You no go reach the end point. You no go reach the last man, the real poor man. Now some selected rich men go carry this thing, go their house, go sit down, pocky, put them for bag. So come to say them too, they are vulnerables now. Meanwhile, you fit afford that rice. Make we enter the fight we no wan gree end, fire we no wan gree quench, water we no wan gree dry for inside garri. Rivers State House of Assembly, wey dey led by Martin Amawela. On Monday, wey be yesterday, they don write go reach the governor Similaye Fubara, make him stop from the spending of from spending funds from the State Consolidated Revenue Fund. The development wey dey follow the expiration of the 7-day ultimatum wey dem give the governor by the lawmakers wey dem be loyalists of the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Barrister Nyesom Wike, for him to submit the 2024 budget afresh. The fresh presentation of the budget is among the conditions for peace wey dem sign during the parley wey they held for the instance of the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to reconcile the faction of Wike and Fubara for inside Abuja. Fubara for inside 2023 being present one appropriation bill of over 800 billion naira for the 2024 fiscal year to the lawmakers wey they loyalist to am. Then he can be led by Edison here for approval. Barely 24 hours after the approval, now after the budget presentation, the 4-member assembly passed the bill and then come present them to Fubara for assent. Here then come be the factional speaker of the house. He later come resign immediately and then come subsequently appoint him as the chief of staff, Government House Port Harcourt, by the same man, Fubara. After the peace agreement, the Emehuele-led assembly will be loyalists of Fubara, will be loyalists of Wike. They not come out tell the governor, say make him resubmit the budget or he face internal alacrity. You see all these threats where they happen, all these shoot on sight, gun on sight, waiting, what did they do for inside that state? If he continue like this, wahala. If he continue like this, na serious wahala. How many months now we don't dey for inside this case of Wike and Fubara? We no wan end. So Gary, see and now water don overshadow Gary. Make una no forget say no matter how river small reach, e must find way to link to the big one. Wey be ocean, wey be lake. No matter how life hard reach, hunger no dey kill man. No matter how weather cold, e no dey kill man, but now when weather hot, I go see where man dey suffocate, dey die because of frustration. Fubara, Similaye, Nyesom, Wike, na God will they take use beg to offer now for peace to reign. Make Anambra State, make River State take prosper. Make the people of River State get peace of mind. Make una shield una sword. Make una forget all this fighting, thing una dey do. They say na 2 elephants, na they fight but na the grass, na they collect and woto. They say na papa wey him dey insult him mama. No say one day him children too will insult her. Person wey no respect him elder, na him dey comot, dey turn regedi baba. By the end of the day, now wetin dey call reciprocal, and go happen to her. Make we go drink water. When we come back, we go calculate more for inside the matter. This time around, at Kano, we will carry all our bag and luggages go. We will go do the whole 24 hours for Kano State. Sake of say, story wey full Kano, we no fit finish am today. We go come back. This is not TORI time. We don't enter inside that town where they say call them a casual fika. We don't enter that town where they say anything where you carry come. The sabi pass you. The good, the bad, and the ugly. E dey Kano. We don't enter that town where say tons of granite. Now be the headquarters. Tons of flour. Now be the headquarters. Place where they hear say that they say that the headquarters of Gurasa na be Kano State. Place where they tell you say Kano politics live on for Kano people na Kano State. The politics where they go on for Kano is senior the 1 times 3 where they go on for Rivers State, where they go on for Sokoto State, where they go on for Bauchi, where they go on for Plateau, where they go on for Imo State, Enugu, Bayero. Kano State own everything their own are different. Everything for Kano na times 2. We don't enter the state government house. We won't go drop our bag and luggages there. But as we dey try drop our bag and luggages, na kasala boss o. As we just dey enter the government house, now the Kano State government don't go file fresh charges against the immediate past governor of the state and national chairman of the All Progressive Congress, Dr. Abdullahi Ganduje, before Kano State High Court, where we say, according to them, then they charge them. They charge the waiting be the man Ganduje on top informer commissioner for justice wey be Musa Lawan as first defender and second defender respectively. Say that they accuse them among other criminal conspiracy. Say then they contrary to section 96 and punishable under section 97 criminal breaches of trust, contrary to section 311 and punishable under section 315 criminal misappropriation, contrary to section 308 and punishable under section 309 of the penal code as amended. The laws of Kano State for inside Nigeria, however, the date no date don't come out say them go fix the commencement of the trial. According to them, they thought say the one wey dem dismiss on top the man and the madam, say that one na one out of tons wey dem get for inside their luggages. You see this Ganduje and waiting be the governor name Kabir Abagida. You see these 2 people, their war no be like Fubara and Wike own. Because Fubara press pause, they carry Wike go court. They investigate, but carry Wike go court. This one he dey investigate. He carry Ganduje go court. He carry his wife go court. He carry his pikin go court. He carry his in-law go court. He carry anything wey dey accessible go court. Apart from that, all the laws wey demand bind, he try disrespect am. All the buildings wey demand build or in destroy, he rebuild them back and he destroy them back. All the roundabouts, the waiting they call them Shatele for inside Kano State, Some way you say e good, some way you say e no good. You destroy them. Houses of people where they say them demolish, say them collect people property. You give them back their kaya. Whether legal or illegal. Whether constitutional or not constitutional. Now why they tell una say everything will be Kano own is different. I tell una say now just bag we just go drop it. We never even go anytime I see the governor. I shall governor this state house of assembly. I did federal high court. They go submit another fresh case. So now as they be now, the fire they ignite the more. It they increase the more. We go chook eye on to that particular matter. Because we still the Kano state, we never come up for Kano state. As they flow, we they give an eye they be. Now make we still maintain, make we come out now for government house. We they go the state house of assembly. After we don't hear waiting state a governor no day for office, make we go come back. Make we brand state of assembly. Make go see the speaker now. As I come enter inside state of house of assembly, the speaker on Tuesday, maybe today don't pass one bill into law for the establishment of the second-class emirates into the state. The company say the house has been take the first reading of the bill before embarking on top recess. Now where they don't come back on recess, where they be resumed yesterday after the second and third reading of the bill. Today, the deputy speaker wey Poki sit down on top Kujera today, wey be Mohammed Butu and be moved for the adoption and gone the passage of during the plenary preside over by the speaker Alhaji Jibril Fulgori, my oga patapata and my mentor. The new second-class emirates, it means that them be create include Rano Emirate, Rano Bunkore Emirate, Kibia Emirate, Karaye Emirate, Karaye Rogo, Gaya Emirate, including Gaya Ajingi and Alabasu. He come out talk say them will recall say the Kano state government being employed for inside one emirship tussle between the 2 years with Emir Mohammed Sanusi II and Aminu Ado Bayero contesting for the position. Now I can't reach point where we say now, then don't define them. But me, I want to ask question, why be say this Kano state of assembly, they look like green shrine? They look like shrine where be say na green, see, be like say that center, that thing they put for center, come be like say na Babalawo shrine. Everywhere just green, come they come put cotton. You know, say one thing, make Kano just talk before I still dey Kano state before them beat me now for Kano. But the thing, they look like shrine. I don't understand. Every other people place, they put cushion, they put table. We they see the table, we they see everything, the design, everything. But this one they carry they cover everything. They don't almost see. You know, say na Babalawo na shrine where you go, they go cover even table. So I no go see the kind table where they put. Maybe na juju man they sit down under and they hold the table, so that make your eyes not to see wetin you no fit carry. We still maintain Kano state. For inside Kano state now, we can't shift to go the high court. Say okay, they say governor now fit see us. Make we go see him for high court. We'll go meet him for high court. Now we enter high court. We just enter. We cross because na road now separates the state house assembly, high court, and the government house. We can't cross. We can't go see say na Hajia Justice Amina Aliu now they preside over one case. We say she dey restrain Alhaji Aminu Ado Bayero, make him no dey parade himself as the emir of Kano or the 15th emir of Kano. The court can also bar am, then say the disposed emir of Bichi, Reno, Gaya and Karaye from parading themselves as first-class chiefs or emirs. The judge can rule for inside one suit where they file against the 5 deposed emirs by the Kano state government. A suit they follow the repeal of the Kano Emirate Law 2019 on May 23, 2024 by the Kano State House of Assembly, where they abolished the 5 emirates where they created by the Kano State Emirate by ex-governor Umar Ganduji. On May 24, 2024, Nine Governor Abba Yusuf Gidagida been signed Kano Emirate Law 2024. He can reinstate the 14th Emir of Kano, where be Sanusi Mohammed Sanusi II as the 16th Emir. Make una no forget say, they satisfied with the order. he can't dispose am as emir. Bayero approach the Federal High Court Kano, making for obtain one thing wey they call ex parte order, wey go stop the governor and also the police from sacking am as the emir. Pending determination of the human rights application, wey be say dem grant for the ex parte, Bayero e can't remain for inside the Nasarawa mini palace wey dey for inside Kano State, while Sanusi con dey occupy the Gidan Rufa Palace wey dey for Kano State. The order by the governor of the police for the police to eject the deposed emir from the Nasarawa mini palace, e no con dey obey, as the police con dey insist say e dey bound to follow the federal court high court order. The government con approach the court to restrain Bayero and order the post emirs from parading themselves as first class chiefs, and also dem sought the order wey dey ask dem to vacate the palace with immediate alacrity for their respective emirates dem. As they deliver the judgment on Monday, wey be yesterday, Justice Amina Aliu con dey talk say Bayero no be governor, no be emir, and the four other ones too, dem don dethrone them from and make dem no dey parade themselves as first class chiefs or emir of Kano, Bichi, Bayero and Karai. She come talk say the Kano Emirate Council Repeal Law 2024 e go dey carried out by the State House of Assembly according to the law, and e go dey enshrined for inside section 4 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The judge can also rule say Yusuf wey dey assent to the law, he say e dey done according to the dictate of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. But Justice Amina Aliu still come out talk say the issue of the evicting Bayero from the Nasarawa mini palace, he say na e dey rent for tribunal issue, not presented before the court. She can direct Bayero and 4 other emirs make them quickly hand over all emirate traditional royal artifacts to the government and the substantive emir of Kano State, Sanusi Lamido Sanusi II. So, this one now, wetin we wan call am now? Congratulations, abi na congratulation, abi na yeah, sorry sir, abi na kasa yanda. Which one we wan do or which one we wan say? But any which way, wise people dey talk say na bread wey good for poor man, na im dem dey always carry go give rich man. Then the one wey no good, that is the backside, na im dem go carry dey fling. You go see poor man dey grab, dey catch, dey even fight himself on top each other. Thunder no reason why e dey always strike when rain dey fall. Sun know the difference between moon, na why e get im own time when e dey comot, and e no dey enter moon matter. Anyhow wey e be, na Kano State problem, na Kano State problem e go be, but make e no affect the nation gabadaya. I get picture of the day wey I wan show una today. We get one governor wey dress like copper. He enter inside camp, he go submit money worth 100,000 per coppers. He come say he go do 5 billion naira worth of camp for NYC, permanent camp. Now Lagos State Governor, him name Babajide Sanwo-Olu, na him dress like this, like copper shon. This na dem be the picture of the day. In fact, he even do selfie with the coppers there. Congratulations, 100,000 naira copper alawi we. No be only him na him do this gesture. For Niger State, the governor carry 200,000 for each copper. So congratulations, these coppers una dey flex well well. I can't wish as if say make I go become copper too. But any which way, your time na your time. Na why we dey call this program Tori Time. At this junction, I wan use this time take my time, carry my time comot go do other time things. My name no change, remain Gidigba like hands on my rock for inside. Dey the Madalazoba. My name na Rick Mamusago. Say make una bye gari o. Till we meet tomorrow for another exciting moment. Una do.